Yes, welcome. Yes, the topic is freehand sketching on the subject engineering graphics applicable for students studying BTech first year. So look onto this stepped component having step 1, step 2, step 3, and look onto this object. The top surface at here is having L shape is shown orange in color. Step 1 is shown blue in color. Step 2 is shown green in color. And look onto the side of this object provided with the sky blue color. You can see the step 1 height, step 2 height, step 3 height. As the height of the step 1, step 2, step 3 is given as a 20 mm. Okay. The step 1 height is given, same can be taken for step 2 height and the step 3 height. Okay. And the breadth of this step 1 is having 25 mm. From here to here represents 25 mm. That corresponds to this length. You can take the second step breadth as 25 mm. And the third step in the top surface can also be taken as a 25 mm from here to here. Same as this, okay. And the overall height of the object is given as a 60 mm, that corresponds to this height. Length of the object is given as 100 mm, that is a 10 centimeter. This corresponds to the length of the object, 100 mm. And the breadth of the object can be taken as a reference diagram is given as 75 mm, 7.5 centimeter. That corresponds to breadth of the object. And this L shape, you can see it in the top is provided with orange color. This length from here to here is shown as 25 mm. So 25 mm will be this length. It's a parallel line, okay. The line is parallel to this edge, okay. So that you can take the same measurement, whatever is given at here represents it from here to here. Understand? So now I'm going to draw the front view for this. Here, this is the model shown for better understanding purpose of the students' community. First, you draw a reference line by hand. Don't use scale or mini drafter. As the topic is freehand sketching, take your HB pencil, draw the base edge of the object. Before that, there is one arrow given at here along the length of this object. This arrow denotes the front view direction. This is that arrow direction, indicates the front view. So looking in this arrow direction perpendicular to the plane of projection, you can find the length of the object and can see the height of the object. And so I turn the object so that you can see it in the camera. Only the two dimensions, length and height, shall be seen in this view called as elevation or front view. Understand? The top surface would be merged forming a single vertical edge, single horizontal edge. The top surface is shown orange in color, forms a single horizontal edge on the top surface that you have to understand. And moreover, this L portion. So looking in this arrow direction, this L portion will be visible, shown yellow in color. L shape will be visible to the observer. That is, this is that part, L shape. Understand? So the height of step 1 is given as 20 mm, and the overall height of this object referring the diagram is given as 60 mm. That corresponds to opposite height also. Understand? And the left side there is a blue color shown side of blue color edges. This forms a vertical edge, single vertical edge on the left hand side, and similarly right hand side you can see one that is a vertical edge. Understand? The view obtained is called as a front view. After drawing the horizontal line, now I'm going to draw this L shape. This is a shaded portion having length as 100 and height as 60 mm. Draw horizontal line using HB pencil, object line. Don't use scale or mini drafter for this. As the topic is freehand sketching. The height of step 1 is 20 mm. Draw a vertical line. This 20 mm should be smaller than this 100 mm length. Okay. And on the right end, you can draw a vertical line that corresponds to this vertical edge. Understand? So draw a vertical line at distance of 100 mm. So here I have taken, so I redraw this line. So 100 mm length, the horizontal line is drawn, and at the end of this 100 mm length, draw a vertical line that corresponds to right edge, right hand side edge, okay. And the length of this L shape is 25 mm. 25 mm may have short distance. Okay, proportionally we are considering this diagram. Then you draw a vertical line parallel to the right side edge. Then this point and this point is to be connected by an horizontal line. This forms L shape that represents the yellow color portion. This is the portion shown yellow in color in the object. Okay. Next, this is the height of step 1 given as 20 mm. Let us dimension this. Draw horizontal line called as a extension line. Then you provide dimension line. Provide two narrow arrows. Shade it and write it as 20. So length of the object given is 100 mm. And moreover, the length of step is from here to here. It's a step length from here to here corresponds to the step 1 length. This is step 2 length. Same step 3 length can also be taken the same as it's a symmetrical steps. Can take the same dimension. The length from here to here shall be taken as 100 minus 25. Overall length is 100 minus 25 will be 75 will be the length of step 1, step 2, step 3. So draw extension line. Then you draw dimension line. Provide arrow head, shade it. The length of step 1 is same as step 2, step 3. All have same length is 75 mm. Okay. Then this L-shaped part distance is given as 25 mm. Draw extension line. Draw dimension line. Provide arrow head, shade it. 25. So 25 plus 75 will be overall length of the object 100 mm. Okay. Next, height of step 2 is given as you can take the same height as step 1, 20 mm. So draw a vertical line using object line, that is HB pencil. This is the height of step 2. Then step 3 height is same 20 mm shall be taken. Draw an horizontal line and enclose forms a rectangle. So this view, this will be yellow color portion. This will be height of step 2 shown pink in color, and the top third step height is shown yellow in color. That corresponds to this rectangle on the top surface. Okay. So the view obtained is called as a front view. Next, using 2H pencil, draw a vertical projector from the end points of the front view obtained. So trace out the front view length. Okay. So now earlier the object was placed like this. Okay. So this is the length of the object, breadth of the object, and height of the object. Now we are going to draw left side view. For this arrow direction, this is the left side. So viewing in this direction or seeing in this direction, observer can see the breadth of the object 75 mm and can see the height of the object as 60 mm. So I turn the object so that you can see it in the camera. The view obtained is called as side view. And moreover, the orange surface on the top shall be merged, forming a single horizontal line, top edge. Okay. So the sky blue color shall be seen, and the height of the component, height of step 1, step 2, step 3 shall be seen in this view called as a side view, that is left side view. Is to be drawn on the right side of the front view, following first angle projection principle. Okay. So this is the side view, left side view. You can see the height of step 1, step 2 height, and step 3 height shall be seen. And width of step 1, step 2, step 3 shall also be seen. In addition, the overall height of the object shall be seen, and the breadth of the object shall be seen in this view called as left side view. Okay. And before going to, yes, we will complete the left side view at first, before going to top view, because it is easy to project a top view from the side view. So draw horizontal projector from the previous front view. So step 1 height is 20 mm, that is projected using horizontal projection line using 2H pencil. Then step 2 height is also projected. Understand? So in the top surface, the side view, now we are going to draw a left side view on the right side of the front view, following first angle projection principle. Yes. Yeah, it's incomplete. So earlier the object was placed like this. Okay. So now I'm going to draw, we'll complete the top view. We'll try to complete the top view. So seeing in this top direction, looking from the top, observer can see the surface visible will be the top surface. So let me erase this shaded portion. So viewing from the top, the observer can see the top surface. That is, this orange portion shall be seen in the top view. And you can see the breadth of step 1, breadth of step 2 shall also be seen. This green part, blue color part, this orange portion will be visible to the observer. So these are the portions visible to the observer. I turn the object so that you can see the camera. The view obtained is called as top view or plan. This is called the top view or plan. So it is projected from the previous drawn front view using 2H pencil. Understand? So then in the top you can see the length of the object, same as front view length. Same as front view length, you can see this box forms a rectangle. So using HB pencil, construct one rectangle. The length of the rectangle will be same as front view length. So it is projected and it is redrawn. I mean the rectangle is constructed. Length is same as front view length and breadth of the object given is 75 mm. So draw one breadth equal to 7.5 centimeter approximately by hand. The length will be greater than 75. So roughly construct one rectangle. So inside this rectangular box, the top view will come. So this is the portion shown orange in color, and this length is taken as same as 25 mm. This 25 shall be same traced for this L part. Okay. So 25 mm will be shorter distance. Put a point and draw one horizontal line. So this portion corresponds to orange color. Then step 1 breadth is blue color part is taken as 25 mm. Draw one horizontal line. This corresponds to, if the line goes cross means erase a part of the line. Don't paint the line. It's a single stroke. So this corresponds to the step 1 breadth, step 2 breadth, and is the top land surface shown orange in color. So let us dimension this. Use thin HB pencil lead. The step 1 breadth shall be seen in the top view. Is given as 25 mm from here to here. So length of the object, we will dimension it. Draw horizontal dimension line. Provide array, shade it. Overall length of the object is 110, 100 mm. Breadth of the object is 675 mm. 75 shall also be dimensioned. Understand? So you need not to repeat the dimension for step 2 breadth, step 3 breadth. The same can be taken. Only if you dimension is enough. If you want, you can do it for here and here. Okay, or you can leave it. So the view obtained is called as a top view. Next we go for left side view. Earlier the object was placed like this. So for this arrow direction, this is the left side view. Corresponds to this is the direction of left side view direction. So I turn the object so that you can see the side view. Will show you the breadth of the object and the height of the object. You can see this is step 1 height, step 2 height, step 3 height. Okay. Draw meter line inclined at 45 degree using a 2H pencil from this end point of the front view. Meter line is 45 degree inclined line. Okay, then you draw horizontal projector from previous top view. Where it intersects with the meter line, there you draw vertical projector. And horizontal projector is also drawn from the top surface of the front view. So these projection line where it intersects forms the corner of the rectangle. Inside this, the side view is to be drawn. Okay, forms a boundary. This is the maximum boundary. Within that, the side view will come. So now you can find the step 1 height. It's already previously drawn in the front view, it's traced, and the horizontal distance of the step 1 is 25 mm. 25 mm. This is step 1 height. The 25 is traced from here front view to the side view. Then you draw one horizontal line equal to 25. This corresponds to this length. And the step 2 height is same 20 mm. Draw vertical line. Then you draw one horizontal line that corresponds to the step 2 breadth, and step 3 height is traced. So this enclose it in a box. So this is the height of step 1, same as the front view height, 20 mm. So let us dimension this. If you want, you can do it. Already we dimensioned in the front view, or you can leave it as it is. One size dimensioned in one diagram means need not to repeat that. This is 20. This is also 20. This is also 20. So that the overall height is 20 plus 20 plus 20 will be 60 mm. Breadth of the object already we dimensioned in the view called the top view. Is breadth of the object is 75 mm. The height of the object is 60 mm. We dimensioned here itself. So this is the breadth of the top surface. This distance is taken as, this is a distance traced out as a 25 mm. So draw extension line, draw dimension line, put an arrow, shade it, written as a 25. Okay. So let us write the name of the diagram obtained. This is left side view. Shall drawn on the right side of the front view. And this is elevation. Another name for front view is elevation. Top view. Draw guidelines for uniform height of letters. Using HB pencil, this is front view or elevation. Any one word if you write is sufficient. Elevation, this is a plan or top view. And this is left side view, drawn on the right side of the front view. And after completing this diagram, you can draw two guidelines and write all dimensions are in mm, because the numbers are considered in terms of millimeter. It's a common representation, you can write it. This completes the answer for on the topic freehand sketching, and thanks for listening. Yes.